It is Friday, and there's still some sun out there, especially for areas like Montreal, Ottawa, clear skies, but there are also some clouds that are starting to fill the sky around the Greater Toronto area, down into Windsor, some clouds as well. And there's also shower activity that is starting to develop, and there is that chance of rain this afternoon, especially in places like Toronto. The pinpoint radar is showing just that, a few showers popping up as you get your maximum daytime heating. These are convective clouds, so they form throughout the day, they dissipate at night. This is a more synoptic type system, an area of low pressure that's moving through Pennsylvania and New York with a rather widespread light rain. So we just have the pop-up showers. 14 in Toronto and London, 15 in Windsor, 14 in Ottawa, Kingston, and 13 at this noon hour in Montreal. Winds aren't really a factor today, anywhere from 5 to 20 kilometers per hour. This afternoon, partly cloudy in Ottawa and Montreal, both getting up to 17, 16 with that chance of rain in Toronto. London right on the edge, could see some showers. Windsor partly cloudy and 18 degrees. Now there is clearing expected tonight, and that is great news because this could be quite the event. Northern Lights, where the best viewing will be, coming up in your full forecast ahead.
The Toronto Maple Leafs front office.
Welcome back. Overcast skies right now in Toronto. The cloud deck also starting to lower, so there may be some showers within the next few minutes, and our pinpoint radar starting to pick up on that as well. On and off light showers along with some sunny breaks for the remainder of the day, and if it does rain, you see a drop in temperature and then it comes back up when the sun comes out. And then this evening, this is the important part, it does start to clear. As that happens around 11 p.m. midnight, you could be in for quite a display, and this is even with city lights. Look to the north. Northern Lights is a possibility, and that just becomes clearer as you go away from the city lights into the more rural communities. A rare occurrence where much of Canada under the impact of this G4 solar storm could get northern lights tonight and then possibly again Saturday night. So we're going to keep an eye on all of that. 7 in Halifax. It's only 4 right now in St. John's. Mild conditions this weekend through the prairies and onto the west coast. Already 15 in Vancouver. Our radar satellite does show the clouds and a system moving off the east coast. This is our weather maker for Saturday, and it's going to bring a renewed chance of rain to Ontario and a slight chance of showers into southwestern Quebec as well. Now the temperatures are generally below seasonal, but just by a couple of degrees. Here, by the way, are those showers that are starting to flare up this afternoon. So the sky clearing tonight. All you have to do, look to the north, although if you're up in the Nickel Belt or Timmins or Ottawa, Montreal, these northern lights may be right above. That does not happen often. And I think the best viewing will be after midnight until about 4 or 5 a.m. Then tomorrow, you're not going to get much in the way of clearing. In fact, there is rain in the forecast, and that rain will be on and off throughout the day and then continue into early Sunday morning. Mother's Day looking pretty good. Yes, there may be some clouds later in the afternoon, but it is dry across much of the entire region, or almost the entire region. 17 degrees on Mother's Day. It shows cloudy, but I think we'll see some sunshine. 21 on Monday, and then a bit cooler next week, but brighter for Wednesday and Thursday. The same goes for Montreal. It's a cool Sunday, shower chances, but then warming up as next week progresses. Candace?
Okay, thanks so much, Anthony, and thank you at home for tuning into Global News at Noon. Have a fantastic rest of your Friday and a wonderful weekend.
Let's find out what's in store for the weekend. dare we ask? In Bill's first look at the local forecast. Go ahead, Bill.
Yes, you know what's coming. More cloud and the chance of showers with us again tonight. We have some fog patches developing. Through the wee hours of the morning, it's going to clear up, but then before the sun rises, that cloud will increase again. We've got a growing probability of showers tomorrow, so it might be about 40% early in the afternoon. Later in the day, through the evening, it jumps up to about 70%. You'll see that gradual increase through the afternoon and through the evening. Hoping to see showers wrap up early Sunday, and then by the afternoon, maybe some sunny periods. So the top half of Saturday and the last half of your Sunday seeming to be the best time for any sort of outdoor activity. Looks like more showers for the work week, too. It just won't let up. I'll have all the details for you with your full forecast in just a moment.
Brought to you by Aubin Windows and Doors. For premium products, award-winning service, and professional installations, visit aubin.com.
Weather is brought to you by your locally owned Midas in Belleville, Brockville, and Kingston. With the industry's best warranties and over 1,000 five-star reviews, come and experience the Midas difference.
Yes, a little bit wet weather for us. The clouds thickening up. There's a chance of showers this evening. We've had a mostly cloudy day today, and there was a trace in the early morning hours, but not much activity today, just on and off cloud coverage. Fog patches tonight as we see that small chance of showers. Cloudy tomorrow, or mostly cloudy. We do have some late showers, though. We'll get a little bit of a clear break in the wee hours of the morning. So for those of you who are sky watching, wanting to see that Aurora Borealis, the Northern Lights, because they're supposed to be pretty good in Ontario tonight. Not bad if you stay up late enough. However, in the early morning hours, that cloud's going to increase again. That chance of showers moving through. Partial clearing Sunday, so we've got showers late tomorrow. We hope to see them end in the morning, and by Sunday afternoon, we might actually see that cloud thin out again. More showers for Monday, and it looks like cloudy and mild conditions Tuesday. We may see temperatures nearing or above 20 as we roll into the work week. So 16 was the best I could get you today for a daytime high. They had the same in Brockville, 17 in Smiths Falls, 18 in Ottawa and Belleville, 16 in Peterborough, Oshawa, and a 15 in Toronto. So I would call that fairly seasonal, or just slightly below that. The seasonal norm for a daytime high in Kingston now is 18. 12 degrees is where we're sitting now. The southerly winds moving lightly at 11 kilometers per hour, and it is mostly cloudy out there right now. Just a trace, like I said, in the early morning hours of a shower. We really didn't see anything through the day except some pretty scary clouds at times, and then they just sort of moved on. And we've gained a couple more minutes of daylight as well. So there goes the low that brought those sort of overnight the trace of showers, moves out of the way. It's sort of south of us. It's not a direct hit, but there was enough to bring a small trace. Now we're getting into another low that's moving across the Great Lakes Basin. The warm front should help to bring those temperatures up, or at least keep them seasonal. And then, yeah, that probability of precipitation creeping in tomorrow very slowly. So in the morning, when that cloud increases, you're looking at about 30% probability first thing, 40% by noon, and then by late afternoon, early evening, 60, 70%, and a good 80 to 90 overnight as the showers move through. Come Sunday, though, ridge of high pressure possibly out of the southwest might break things up for you Sunday afternoon. So the showers should end early morning Sunday, and then very gradually that cloud's going to thin out. So early Saturday or late Sunday seem to be the best time to do anything outdoors. And this one here reaching you by Monday with more showers. So there's that small probability through the evening, and there's that little break in the cloud through the overnight we spoke of. It does look as if that cloud's going to increase in the morning. And yeah, so at around noon, you're looking at about 40% probability, and then that grows. Look at that chance of showers moving in, especially over the lake, and then through the evening and overnight. Sunday morning, it dwindles again. And then we see that cloud thinning out. There's your time to get out and do the gardening you wanted to do, Hutch. There's right there, okay? Just around the supper hour. Good time for the barbecue, right? That chance of showers will redevelop again Monday as another low reaches us. Belleville, it's a high 17 and a 40% chance of showers through the early afternoon. That increases to 60 or 70% by the evening in Belleville. Sunday, a high 16. A mix of sun and cloud by the afternoon, but in the morning, still on the cloudy side, and you may see some showers lingering in the early morning hours. Monday, it's a high 17 with a 40% chance of showers. And in Brockville, a high 16 tomorrow. You've got that chance of showers as well that grows through the day. A greater probability overnight. Showers through the morning Sunday, maybe some clearing through the early evening. And then Monday, a high 16, a 70% chance of showers. Smiths Falls up to 17 degrees and a small probability of showers through the day. That chance of showers increases to a good 70 or 80% overnight. Sunday, showers through the morning. It should end through the afternoon. Partial clearing by the evening, and Monday a high 16 and a 70% chance of showers. Kingston, a high 16 tomorrow. There's some fog patches tonight and maybe a little bit of clearing in the wee hours of the morning, but that cloud increases early tomorrow morning. The chance of showers creeping in, 40% by noon, a good 60% by the evening, and a good 70 to 80% overnight. Monday, it's a cloudy start to the day, and that chance of showers should end through the early afternoon. We're looking at partial clearing through the afternoon. Enjoy a mix of sun and cloud to close the day. Monday, a high 14 with a chance of showers. Again, another low reaching us. Tuesday, though, we put the brakes on those showers. A high of 15, mostly cloudy. Wednesday, a mix of sun and cloud, a high 18, up to 18 again Thursday, and mainly sunny. An increase in cloud Friday, and nearly 20 for a high. Now your weather wallpaper.
Weather Wallpaper is brought to you by Christine Geary's Maple Leaf Tours Travel Cruise. Visit mapleleaftours.com to get into the picture.
John Wansowitz of Kingston sends this one in. A osprey with its wings spread. Lovely shot. Great detail in this photograph.
Yeah.
And this is in the Cataraqui Bay area.
Those are big birds.
Yes, they are. What a gorgeous, it looks like it's staring right at him.
No
too.
kidding. It's coming in. It's coming in to swoop down on John. Hopefully not, but
Great shot.
yeah, it is a lovely picture. Okay, let's see you with the wings. There we go. Okay. So our evening is complete now.
There we go.
One good thing about your forecast, Bill, is you don't have to worry about watering the plants. You talked about, yeah, there's
no fear of those lawns going brown.
not a chance, especially with we were getting rain pretty much every day or every other day. Though I do note in your 7-day there that there's a stretch of 4 days where a mix of sun and cloud, not bad.
Yes, and those temperatures next week start to creep up too. Let's notice that with that with the 10-day outlook coming up soon.
Good. We will look for that trend and hopefully, fingers crossed, a better long weekend, which is next weekend. Okay, you don't want to give it away now. Just, there's still time to change it, Bill, okay? Okay, we'll get you back here a little bit later. Lots going on. We have Mother's Day this Sunday, Victoria Day long weekend coming up next weekend, and here to fill in the weather blanks of all that is Bill with the 10-day outlook.
Yeah, make sure Mom's got her wellies. Looks like the showers are here this weekend. We've got a 40% chance tomorrow. Maybe some breaks in the cloud early in the morning, but that cloud increases quickly and the chance of showers increases as well. By the evening, we're up to a good 60-70%. Sunday, a high 14 and maybe some partial clearing by the afternoon, but the shower activity should end in the morning. 14 on Monday with a chance of showers again as another low reaches us. High 15 Tuesday and a break from the showers, a mix of sun and cloud over Wednesday and Thursday with lots of sunshine. Cloud coverage for Friday and a high of 18. The chance of showers returns for the long weekend, but it's only 40% over Sunday and the holiday Monday.
Right, and there's certainly plenty of time between now and then for that 40%
to change.
Yes, could diminish even more. We'll be right back.
You buy your locally owned Midas of Eastern Ontario with lifetime guarantees on brakes, suspension, exhaust, and now on tires. Come and experience the Midas difference.
Warm in the west, cool in the east, and we're sort of on the fence where we're just below normal. It's not terribly cool, but in central Ontario and central Quebec, much cooler. Where those air masses meet, some active weather, and we'll get into that in just a few minutes. 18 in Belleville for a high today, 16 in Kingston. So we're in the seasonal range. I think 18 is now the norm for a seasonal high. 16 in Brockville, 17 in Smiths Falls. We had 18 in Ottawa, 16 in Peterborough, Oshawa, and a 15 in Toronto today. We will find those temperatures come up and come down and up, and they're going to fluctuate over the next little while. 7 degrees for low tonight, some fog patches developing. There is a chance of showers and a small probability through the morning at 40%. We may get some sunny periods a little later, but that chance of showers really pushing through the evening and overnight. We'll have a full forecast for you in just a moment.
You're watching CKWS News at 11.
Low pressure just south of us tracking east, extending a trough, bringing you cloud and a small probability of showers through the evening. It may actually clear up a bit and then get right back into that increase in cloud first thing in the morning. The chance of showers, that probability growing through the day, probably 40% in the morning, 60% by the late afternoon, and then, yeah, good 70, 80% overnight as the showers continue thanks to this low tracking east and dropping a little south. We are hoping for a ridge of high pressure to roll in for Sunday, breaking that cloud up through the afternoon. But your Sunday morning might be on the cloudy side and still a lingering probability of showers in the morning, too. Belleville high 17, a 40% chance of showers through the early afternoon. That turns to a good 60-70% by the evening. Sunday, we hope to see the showers ending in the morning, partial clearing to follow. Monday, a high 17 and back into some more showers as another low pressure system reaches us. Brockville, a high of 16 for the next few days. Saturday, it's a chance of showers at 40% probability, growing to a good 70 or 80% overnight. Sunday, a high 16, 40% chance of showers in the morning. Clouds staying with you to the late afternoon, then some partial clearing. Monday, a high 16 and a good chance of showers as well. Smiths Falls up to 17 Celsius tomorrow, cloudy with maybe some afternoon sunny periods. You've got a chance of showers brewing too, and that probability of showers will pick up through the overnight. Sunday, a high 16 and a 60% chance of showers, and Monday up to 16 again and a 70% chance of showers as another low reaches you as well. Kingston, your forecast. There is a chance of showers and some fog patches tonight, but it might actually clear up a little bit before morning, and then that cloud increases again. 40% chance of showers through the early afternoon, increases to about 60 or 70% probability through the evening. Hoping to see those showers end in the morning, partial clearing through the afternoon Sunday, a high 14. Rising to 14 again Monday as another low reaches you with showers, and for Tuesday, rising to 15, mostly cloudy. A mix of sun and cloud Wednesday and a high of 18 up to 18 Thursday, which is seasonal and mainly sunny conditions. An increase in cloud Friday, nearly 20 for a high.